I am Josh Balaja, and we are assembled here to know the insights of our candidates about several issues or rules. This is Citizens Presidential Debate. We invited the presidential candidates of both parties. However, only the president of Marahuyo Party List, Jen Gonzalez, was able to grace us with his presence. This aims to assist students to vote efficiently and wisely. Now, without further ado, let us LG presidential debate begin. The instruction is, I am going to read the question twice, and he is going to raise if his answer is yes or no. After raising their answer, your answer, you need to explain why. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yeah. For the first question, should comprehensive sex education be mandatory in all schools? Again, should comprehensive sex education be mandatory in all schools? His answer is yes. Why?
Comprehensive sex education should be mandatory to be taught in the classroom po because to open the mind of the student about sex. Especially nowadays na masyado na marami ang nabubuntis na teenager. Plus, also to help the students para rin sa family planning. Para rin mabawasan yung early birth rate here in the Philippines.
Alright. Marami nga po sa atin, no? Ang daming teenage pregnancy na sa Pilipinas. Alright. Let's move on to the next question. Should gender-neutral restrooms be allowed at schools? Again, should gender-neutral restroom be allowed at our school? His answer is yes. Why?
Nakikita ko here at Fort Bonifacio na nagiging accepting na tayo. Lalo na sa kabilang building and here sa building na to, makikita natin yung gender-neutral restroom, which is very good, especially sa mga LGBT natin. Especially nowadays na meron pa rin discrimination kahit paano. It would help them para po maiwasan yung discrimination when it comes pag kailangan nila to go to the restroom.
Thank you for your response. For the fourth question, should the voting age be lowered to 16? Again, should the voting age be lowered to 16? Oh, his answer is yes.
For me, the voting should be lowered to 16 because nowadays, yung mga kabataan, masyado na tayong open sa when it comes to politics. Marami na tayong nalalaman at bukas yung isipan natin kung sino yung ganito, kung sino yung ganyan. Alam natin, kailangan natin bumoses, kailangan din tayong marinig. Hindi porket nakakatanda sila, sila lang yung may karapatan. Tayo bilang kabataan, dapat din tayong bumoses para sa kung anong talaga ang tama.
What an interesting insight. Now, the following question is the death penalty effective in reducing crime rates? Again, is the death penalty effective in reducing crime rates?
For me, no.
His answer is no.
Because if ever yung death penalty is ma-legalize ulit, hindi niya mapapababa yung crime rate. Ipapakita lang doon na nagiging kagaya na rin tayo nung pumatay. It's inhuman. Hindi siya makatao. Especially ngayon, why don't we give them another chance kung kaya pa? Then, hindi naman kasi lahat solution ng death penalty. Kasi may pamilya sila at may humihintay rin sa kanila. Death penalty should be legalized kapag napatunayan na and masyadong malala or masyadong grabe yung ginawa ng isang tao. Example is yung mass murder, for example like bombing and gun shooting.
That was a hot take. Now, for the next question. Should the Philippines continue its war on drugs? Again, should the Philippines continue its war on drugs? Yes, his answer is yes.
Nowadays, masyado na, especially sa mga kabataan, dumadami na yung gumagamit ng drugs, pinagbabawal na gamot. Kaya, kaya dapat pala ngayon pa lang, labanan na to ng Pilipinas para hindi na siya mas lalong lumala pa. Kasi, pag-asa natin ng kabataan, tayo ang pag-asa ng Pilipinas. Kaya dapat ngayon pa lang, may pakita na natin sa kanila na hindi at walang magagawang mabuti ang paggamit ng drugs.
Wow. Thank you for that wonderful answer. For the last question, would the PUV or public utility vehicles modernization be efficient? Again, would the PUV or public utility vehicles modernization be efficient? Oh, his answer is no.
For me, hindi magiging effective yung modernization of jeep. Kasi yung traditional jeep natin ngayon is parte na ng kultura natin. Kumbaga, mas mura yung bayad, mas madaling transportasyon. Simula pa lang nung pinaka-una, nandyan na yung mga jeepney driver, mga super natin. Kaya hindi pa dapat tulungan natin sila ngayon para bumoses. Para naman tayo yung lumaban para sa kanila.
Thank you for that response. I would like to thank Jen for participating in this debate that was held by the citizen. We hope that you voters have gained knowledge from this video. Vote wisely! Thank you!